We want to find the points on the graph of f of x equals 1 over 2x minus 4 plus 3, whose tangents pass through negative 1 7/2. Let's first compute the derivative. So our function is 1 over 2x minus 4 plus 3. The derivative of 3 is 0, and the derivative 1 over 2x minus 4 is negative 2 over 2x minus 4 quantity squared. We know the equation of the tangent line at x0 is basically this point slope form, which is y minus f of x0 equals f prime of x0 times x minus x0. Now f of x0 is just 1 over 2x0 minus 4 plus 3, and then f prime of x0 is negative 2 over 2x0 minus 4 quantity squared. Now we want this to pass through the point negative 1 comma 7/2. So that means that this y right here better equal 7/2. So what we're going to do is solve for x0. Now, at this point, we do 7/2 minus the 3 is going to give us 1/2. And then we distribute the negative to the 1 over 2x0 minus 4. And on this side, these negatives are just going to turn into a positive. And then just distribute the 2 with the 1 and the x0. We actually leave it factored. So that gives us to this equation. Now we can multiply both sides by 2x0 minus 4 quantity squared to get 1/2 times 2x0 minus 4 squared minus 2x0 minus 4 minus 2 times 1 plus x0 equals 0. Then we can expand the 2x0 minus 4 squared, multiply by 1/2, combine like terms, get 2x0 squared minus 12x0 plus 10 equals 0. Divide both sides by 2 to get x0 squared minus 6x0 plus 5 equals 0. You can choose to do quadratic formula, or if you want, you can factor this out. It's just x0 minus 5, x0 minus 1. So that's where we get x0 is 1 and 5. So then the point that we get is, well, to find the correct y value, we go back to the original f of x, 0. We'll plug in x0 is 1 in here. So we have 1 over 2 minus 4 plus 3 is 5/2. Plug in x equals 5, or x0 equals 5, and get 19 over 6. So the 2 points then are 1 comma 5/2 and 5 comma 19 over 6. And that's going to be the final answer.